Now, Commonwealth Games venues are set to miss the completion deadline once again, the fourth time that deadlines have been missed, and this time the rain is being blamed.
The Games deadline to be missed again. The scene outside the Yamuna Sports Complex tells its own story. The Delhi Development Authority has been racing to meet the deadline to finish one of the largest stadiums for the Commonwealth Games. Now it seems they won't make it. Union Urban Development Minister Jaipal Reddy, the man heading the group of ministers set up by the PM, has clearly said the Games venues won't be complete by 31st August. He said, and I quote, "The schedule is not met strictly. It is being delayed by a couple of days because of rain and because of the delay in delivery of containers." Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit is now refusing to commit to any new deadline.
डेडलाइन हमारी 3 अक्टूबर से पहले सब कुछ होना चाहिए. बारिश नहीं होगी, अच्छी तरह से धूप निकल आएगी तो हम ये डेडलाइन को 10-15 तक कर सकते हैं.
With the Games now just 5 weeks away, a disaster looms. In fact, it gets worse. 700 international athletes and officials are due to arrive in Delhi in just over 2 weeks from the 15th of September. They will check into the Games village where a lot of apartments still have no electrical fittings. And while agencies in charge insist that the main stadia construction is complete, a visit to the sites reveal a whole host of problems. At the SP Mukherjee swimming complex, overlays are still not done. Sources say it may take another 10 days. At the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, where the opening and closing ceremonies are to be held, the peripheral wall and the wrestling arena are still under construction. This too is likely to take at least 10 days to complete. At the Yamuna Sports Complex, streetscaping work is in disarray. Cabling and other beautification work are incomplete. The drainage system is also worrying authorities. At Indira Gandhi Stadium, there are fears that the leaking velodrome may damage the wooden flooring where the gymnastics event is to be held. All this a big concern also for the Delhi police, as they can only run their complete checks and install surveillance devices once the venues are finished.
This is the state of affairs outside most of the competition venue for the Commonwealth Games. With the international athletes coming in within the next few days, these officials are struggling hard to keep the country's pride intact.
With Siddharth Pandey in New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.